My beloved brothers and sisters, let's cry to Allah for forgiveness so that Allah be pleased with us, so that He can cure us from this disease, from whatever has happened, and at the same time the restrictions can be lifted when it comes to the houses of Allah to begin with, and then with everything else. As I close, I want to teach you a sunnah dua of the Prophet ﷺ that should be read during these times, and it would be correct also to read qunut nazila in your salah, because this is a time when qunut nazila is actually needed. It is a calamity that has befallen the ummah. Remember the dua, Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min al-barasi wal-jununi wal-judhami wa min sayyi'il asqam. We're asking protection of Allah from all forms of disease, from leprosy, from calamity, from disaster, from plagues, from pandemics. And that is what we're asking. It's a sunnah dua of the Prophet ﷺ. May Allah accept that dua from us.